an experience that sparks curiosity. Let's watch this short video. What do we notice here? Why do we think the written words have changed color? Is something unusual happening? Or are we seeing a familiar idea in a new way? Can we connect this change to plants in any way? What do we think the paper or the ink has to do with plants? Just a thought. Why do we say plants are the primary source of food for all living beings? Come, let's observe, question, and explore. Discover more experiences, activities that inspire thinking, encourage questioning. Connect with Agastya Virtual School. 100+ simple, powerful videos for science and math for classes 6 to 10. It's completely free. Register now.